Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Rose Ann Cagadas, 29 years of age, happily married with 3 children in just 11, 9, and 8. I was graduated my degree in community development at Bukidnon State University in Malaybalay City in year 2013. And I am proud to say that I am working student at the time. My work experience were, first, I was all-around nanny in 2 adults and 1 kids for almost 3 years. I'll do cleaning, earning, washing clothes, cooking, and marketing, and also playing with the kids. Afterwards, in year 2018, I worked as a sales lady at Ayami Agricultural Store for almost 1 year. Currently, I am administrative aide to clerk at the municipality of Don Carlos for 5 years and 4 months now. Madam and sir, when you give me a chance to work with you, I am very much willing to do my duties. I am trustworthy, flexible, and hardworking person. God bless and thank you.